it's your girl, Nikki Pinkk, Goddess, coming to you today. You're probably like, why are you so smiley and excited? Guys, I am super excited because guess what? Because of the internet, there are so many ways that you can make money from the comfort of your home, and you probably don't even know. Guys, I have been online since 2008, guys, and I have not worked a full-time job since. Now, I have had some struggles and I've been down, but I promise you my upswings and my success has been far greater than the things that I've experienced as far as being down, guys. And that's leading me to making this video. In 2017, I made the most income that I've ever made online because of Bitcoin, guys, because of a digital currency that has been around for some years that a lot of people didn't even believe in. But guess what, guys? What I want to do is I want to share with you some different ways that you can create some income from the comfort of your home. I have partnered with a couple of programs, guys, that will allow you to do just that. I lost a lot of Bitcoin and a lot of money in 2017. I have been able to perfect some of the things that I've done wrong, and I've just kind of been able to put everything all together. So if you're somebody that's looking for a coach to teach you and show you exactly how to create income from the comfort of your home, then guys, you will want to go to the next page. On this page, I'm not sure where this video is going to be, if it's going to be asking for your name and email address and phone number, or if it's going to say just give me your email. I'm not sure exactly where, but whatever this page is telling you to do, you want to follow the instructions on this page. Then when you get to the next page, there's going to be instructions on exactly what to do. I'm going to have everything laid out for you, and you just want to follow the instructions, guys. It's really that simple. It really, really is. If you have any kinds of questions, I'll have my contact information there for you. First, you got to make a decision, and then you got to take some action. So if you're somebody that's looking for change, that's looking to create a better economy for yourself and your family, please do what I'm telling you to do on this page. Fill out the information, get on the other side, and let's connect. And I look forward to helping you create more income for yourself and your family, because guess what? You deserve it too.